What is affiliate marketing? Publishers can make money through affiliate marketing by employing an affiliate link to promote goods or services that are sold by other businesses. The affiliate partner receives payment for helping the shop or advertiser reach their goal. Usually, a sale is the outcome. However, some affiliate marketing organizations can pay you for leads, free trial users, website clicks, or app downloads. You don't have to worry about expensive setup charges because most affiliate programs are typically free to join. If done correctly, an efficient affiliate marketing approach can transform from a side gig into a lucrative online company concept by bringing in a respectable amount of money. How AF works in affiliate marketing: a product or service is promoted by being shared on a blog, social networking site, podcast, or website. Every time a customer uses the special affiliate link connected to their referral to make a purchase, the affiliate gets paid a commission. The firm and the offer all affect the commission rates for affiliate sales. On average, you'll make around 5% of the sale, but under certain circumstances, typically when marketing a course or event, you could make as much as 50%. In addition to affiliate marketing schemes that offer a flat fee per sale rather than a percentage, there are several as well. Review 1. On your website, blog, or social network, you display an advertisement or a link for Store Z2. A client clicks on your special affiliate link. 3. In Store Z, the customer makes a purchase. 4. The transaction is noted by the affiliate network. 5. Store Z confirms the transaction. 6. You receive a financial commission. Types of affiliate marketing. Affiliates are always a little mysterious because you can never be sure if they have ever used the product themselves or are simply endorsing it for the money. Both situations are still active. Pat Flynn, a well-known affiliate marketer, didn't divide the various affiliate marketing types into 3 categories until 2009. Regardless of your moral compass, understanding these forms of affiliate marketing can teach you the various methods people earn money online in this industry. Affiliate marketing without ties. When you don't have any authority in the market for the product you're promoting, you engage in the first sort of affiliate marketing, which is known as unattached. You have no relationship with the customer. You frequently launch pay-per-click advertising campaigns with your affiliate link in the hopes that customers will click it, purchase the item, and you will be paid a commission. Unaffiliated affiliate marketing is appealing since it requires little to no effort on your part. Businesses that use affiliate marketing rely on their online target audience's reputation and trust. This form of marketing is the greatest choice for certain affiliate marketers since they lack the time or desire to develop such connections. Affiliate marketing related to the act of promoting goods and services that you don't use but are connected to your specialty through relevant affiliate marketing. An audience exists for an affiliate marketer in this situation, whether it comes through blogging, YouTube, TikTok, or another channel. Even if they have never utilized the products, a related affiliate marketer has influence, which makes them a reliable source for recommendations. While linked affiliate marketing might increase affiliate earnings, there is a risk involved in recommending products you have never used. You wouldn't even be aware that it was the worst good or service ever. One poor recommendation is all it takes for your audience to stop believing in you. Participate in affiliate marketing only suggesting goods and services that the affiliate marketer has utilized and firmly believes in is referred to be involved affiliate marketing. Elise asserts that involved affiliate marketing is the way to go. The finest thing for your audience and business is that it is based on trust and sincerity. Instead of spending money to encourage people to click on banner ads, an affiliate marketer leverages their influence to promote goods and services that potential customers may genuinely need. This kind of audience trust requires more effort to develop, but it's essential for creating a long-lasting business. Thanks for watching.